we just add butter in cookies powder. This dough should be have together nicely. Press nicely to make a nice layer. Because this very important. Now we can mix nicely and then we add eggs. So we can add whole mixture to this mold. Now our cake is ready for serving, ready for eat. You see, look amazing. Hello viewer, welcome to Bake Studio. Today I bring for you guys very delicious, very amazing recipe. It's called baked cheesecake, and other the name we call New York cheesecake. Very easy recipe, you can make easily in home. There is just a few ingredients. We use in cheese, egg, vanilla and lemon zest, and digestive cookies for base. And it's really very easy to make whenever you feel to make any cake or something like that with coffee, tea or chai, so you can make easily in home. So there is few ingredients and we start the recipe. So here I have first three ingredients. I have powdered sugar and digestive cookies powder and melted butter. So we just add butter in cookies powder and then we add powdered sugar. So we mix together nicely. If you feel, you can add butter more because this dough should be have together nicely. Okay, so should be look like this. So I use for my cheesecake this mold, but if you have same like this, that's amazing. If you don't have, you can use any type of mold, wrong square, triangle, whatever you have it. Okay, so I use this one. So I put all the cookies crumbles here. And then we spread everywhere in mold here like this. And you can take same your cup if you have any glass. Okay, that's amazing, but if you don't have, you can use like this to press nicely to make a nice layer. Because this very important, you have to press nicely to make nice layer, because if we just no press nicely, so our all the cheesecake mixture go down and flat. So we have to have a make a nice layer. So cheesecake mold is ready. You can see I make little border also, so when we put mixture it's come up to here. So then when we take, it looks nice and no breakup. If you have mold like this, you can cover with it's called silver foil or aluminum foil. You can take like this and cover your mold, because we are going to bake in steam with water, so water not going to be in. So that's why we put this silver foil here. So this is a little important. So we cover like this, right? So let's we start our mix now. So first we going to add cheese. You can use any type of cheese. I use Philadelphia, and you can use whatever you have available cheese you can use, and use the same recipe always in description, you can see from there. And now we're going to add sugar. So first sugar and cheese. Now we can mix nicely and then we add eggs. So So now I'm going to add eggs. Then again we mix nicely. When we see the eggs mix nicely, then we add the lemon zest and some touch of vanilla powder. So vanilla powder, because its taste coming more nice, so that's why we add vanilla. Now we add vanilla powder, and I'm also going to add melted butter. So here is one lemon zest. You can just like this. Just we need this green skin. You don't need white skin, just only green things. That's it. But if you want to add some lemon juice, you can add. So cheesecake mixture is ready. Now we're going to add in mold. See, so we can add whole mixture to in this mold. So make sure clean your machine bowl nicely. Should be everything is in. Yeah, so like this. Okay, so now we're going to bake. It's around 45 minutes, and then we see after 45 minutes. Now cheesecake inside oven. I put also in baking tray some water because we're going to bake in steam. So I use this oven, but you can use any oven, and I will mention temperature and everything on description. You can see from there.
A few moments later.
So cake is ready. It look amazing. Wow, so delicious. I smell like I can eat all. So it's very nice, look amazing. You can look that, bake everywhere, smooth and nice and very nice shape. So now we cool down around like a 1 hour, 1.5 hours. Then we put some garnish, some fruit, some berries and some edible flower on top, then make look nice. So now we will garnish with some fresh raspberries, and I also pick some fresh edible flower from my garden. So we make look nice. So yeah, but you can add any kind of berry, blueberry, strawberry, raspberry, or if any seasonal food you can add. Okay, so now see, is it look more amazing? Yep. Yes. So now our cake is ready for serving, ready for eat. So see, look amazing. So cake is ready. Is baked very nice. Really look really beautiful, amazing. So I explain all the recipe step by step, and I also mention here in description. You can see all method, all the recipes. If you guys have there any question, please comments, and then I will reply about that. And we will meet in next video with some amazing and delicious recipe. So keep in touch, keep follow Bake Studio. Please subscribe, like, share. Thank you so much. Have a good day.